Mumbai airport at নিচ্ছি এখানে
Oh yes, hi.
Mumbai airport at 3:30
Yes,
3:30
3:30 a.m.
it's very
It doesn't look like 3:30
vacant.
a.m. It's quite not crowded, I would say, but it's not empty also.
Yeah, people are taking a very nice nap there at the back.
And we are looking for that.
Some cheap coffee.
Not cheap, we won't get cheap coffee.
Some good coffee.
And without sleep for almost 3 nights. See, dark circles.
After looking for some good coffee options, I found some. We found some coffee at Bangalore,
Yeah.
and it costed around 230 rupees.
That is the minimum cost we saw.
This is it. This is the small amount of coffee we have, and yeah, we are having some coffee so that we can stay awake.
We can stay awake. I'm literally having insomnia since 3 nights, and even
We
tonight.
don't have our cat to keep us awake, so coffee is doing the job.
Yeah. The boarding has started. It's 4:30. The flight is at 5:30, so 1 hour to go. And there are too many people going to Kochi. I think mostly because it's Onam time.
We have finally boarded, and we already got our seat. It's a window seat, and it's near the emergency exit as well. Sufficient amount of leg space. And the one thing is that we never plan or we never buy seats. We just arrive at the airport early and get our desired seats. And so we are here at a comfortable position for 2 hours to Kochi. See you there.
He's in deep sleep. We started our
Journey. We came out from the airport and now we are at a restaurant having some breakfast.
yeah.
This is idli, vada, sambar, chutney, then masala dosa, and we got some coffee as well.
Yes, we ordered filter coffee as well. There is no menu card in the restaurant. We asked for menu card, but this is all they have. Very plain and simple, but the food is very hot and it looks tasty. Let's see how it is.
We have reached Athirapally and we are walking. There's this path which leads to the waterfall, and we are walking for some time. It's all forest around. This pavement is made for easy walking, and there are, I think, sounds of cicadas and other insects around this forest area. And this falls under the Kerala Forest Department, so it's well protected and well maintained. So we'll catch you in the waterfall.
We spotted a mom dog over here, and there are the puppies. Let's go and see the puppies. We got Parle-G also. So we have started trekking our way to the waterfall, and the roads are not very good. have reached the most awaited destination of Kerala, Athirapally Waterfall.
We are right at the base of the waterfall. It is just majestic to look at. This place coming till here, we are completely getting wet. Just see the environment it is creating. So good.
So just look at our condition at the Athirapally Waterfall. We thought that all during heavy monsoons we will get drenched like this, so we didn't carry any raincoat with us. But the flow of waterfall is like too good, too good. Our way to Munnar from Athirapally waterfalls, there is another waterfall which is Chiapara waterfalls. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it very correctly, but this is how it looks.
Just beside the highway while on your way to Munnar.
आपको इधर कौन सा रंग मिलेगा बोलिए लोग?
Black color.
हाँ ऐसा काला मिलेगा ना वैसे लोगों में वो काला एक्चुअली वेस्ट है ये काला नहीं यूज़ करते
Visiting Spice Garden in rains.
We have finally reached Munnar and we have checked into our resort, which is the Ragamaya resort, and I will give you a brief tour of our room, which is fantastic. So starting with this section, there is a mirror and there is a mini bar which has some chocolates and cold drinks.
And
but
it's
these are
chargeable.
Chargeable. There is a dark fantasy also over here. So if we use it, we have to pay for it. These are complimentary tea and coffee. And then we have the washroom, which looks pretty cool.
Which is very clean. It has a glass separation for shower
Right.
and all the amenities.
Now, the best part of the room. This is the bed. This is some creepy picture.
It's not some traditional picture.
This is very comfy sofa. And then this is the highlight of the room. First let me...
The view of the room. It's
The wind
extremely
is
windy
blowing like...
and you have the view. It's just mesmerizing. And she is also enjoying completely.
So we came down for high tea and snacks. They are serving chai, coffee, and there is onion pakora also if you want.
Which is
We are-
live fried.
Yes, so we are not taking any pakora right now. We'll enjoy our tea and coffee and just a view of the resort, which is very peaceful and calm and serene, and it's quite a big property. Here it is a space to walk around And then this is the high tea area. There is the swimming pool over there. The swimming pool is a bit small, but it is an infinity pool, and the view is mesmerizing from it. Reminds us of Grindelwald first skywalk of Superman. Just look at the view. It's sunset time also. I can't think of anything better than this resort that we have chosen.
There are hills over there which are covered by clouds and
There are
some dark
insects
clouds.
chirping and birds chirping.
And the scene is just surreal. This is the golden hour and we are experiencing it.
Almost like 18 degrees. It's quite chilly.
Yeah, there's a lot of wind blowing, but it's too good.